Unraveling the tastes of tradition, understanding heritage dish. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the flavorful world of heritage dishes. What makes a dish part of a heritage? We'll explore the roots and reasons why certain recipes are more than just food. They're a story on a plate. A heritage dish refers to a meal that is strongly associated with a particular culture, region, or family. It's a culinary snapshot of history, often passed down through generations. These dishes carry the essence of tradition, embodying the flavors, ingredients, and techniques that are characteristic of a certain group's way of life. Heritage dishes are often defined by their ingredients. These can be local produce, spices, or proteins that are indigenous to a region. They're not just chosen for flavor, but for their cultural significance and the stories they tell about the land and its people. The cooking methods used in heritage dishes are as important as the ingredients. These techniques have been honed over time and are a testament to the resourcefulness and creativity of ancestors. Whether it's slow cooking, fermenting, or grilling over an open flame, each method adds depth to the dish's story. In today's globalized world, heritage dishes play a crucial role in keeping cultures alive. They act as a bridge between past and present, allowing new generations to connect with their roots. These dishes also offer a taste of authenticity to others, sharing a slice of culture through the universal language of food. We hope this journey into the world of heritage dishes has been as enriching for you as it has been for us. These dishes are not just meals. They are narratives of history, culture, and identity, served on a plate. Until next time, keep savoring the stories behind every bite.